Conflict theory is a lens used to understand how society functions through the lens of competition rather than consensus. Let's look at what that means. At its core, this theory suggests that society is in a constant state of struggle for limited resources. When we analyze economic data, conflict theorists focus on how power structures keep resources concentrated at the top. The theory rests on three pillars: the scarcity of resources, the imbalance of power, and the idea that conflict is necessary for social change. It stands in stark contrast to functionalism, which views society as a machine working toward stability rather than a battlefield of competing interests. In economic terms, this theory explains why labor and capital often find themselves at odds regarding how value is distributed in a firm. Remember, conflict theory isn't just about fighting, but about how tension drives evolution in our financial and social systems. Understanding these theories helps you see the bigger picture in economics. Subscribe for more deep dives into how the world works.